The NPS Series MT mobile cafeteria tables without seating encompass the industry's highest quality and largest selection of cafeteria tables without seating. Available in your choice of rectangular, round, square, hexagon, octagon, and oval shapes in a variety of sizes and height options, the rectangular units feature our easy lift torsion bar system, while other shapes operate on a perfectly balanced framing system. Dual access storage latch release handle makes opening a breeze, or lock-in teepee position for floor cleaning. Other shapes feature an exclusive offset release lever to prevent finger pinching. 3/4 inch thick tops are available in a variety of colors in your choice of plywood, MDF, or particle board cores, with either T-mold or Protect Edge antibacterial edges. Phenolic backer adds sanitary protection and is power washable. Tabletops are fastened to a 14-gauge chrome or black powder-coated frame with tamper-free hardware. 275-pound capacity caster wheels feature no-trip caster liftoff to prevent table from moving while open. Assembled in the USA with global materials, tables are UL approved for safety and mass green environmentally tested for LEED projects. With a bumper-to-bumper 15